This is how you, no. This is how you blow up on YouTube starting from nothing. I studied some of the biggest YouTubers so you don't have to. This is what I learned. First off and most importantly, you need to pick a niche. If you don't know what a niche is, it's a topic that the videos on your channel are about. This is simultaneously the hardest and the most important step. But before you pick, there's something you need to know. Nobody cares about you. Now don't take this the wrong way, but it's true. People subscribe to you if they're personally interested in you or the value you provide to them. If you start making vlogs or let's play gaming videos with 0 subscribers, you're gonna struggle to gain traction. Not because your content's bad, but simply because you haven't made a relationship with your audience yet. That's why my second point is that you need to trend jack. Trend jacking is when you make videos related to or about a trend. This can be a trendy person, place, or thing, and it's a foolproof way to bring attention to your channel. For example, if you look back at old videos from a newer channel called Eric, his first 3 videos are the difference between content that gets lost in the deep depths of YouTube and viral content that gets recommended to everybody. He uploaded this video on July 9th, 2019, and this was 5 days after the new season of Stranger Things was released after being heavily anticipated. He used the hype and attention around another topic to kickstart his own career. And from there he was able to upload videos that were more personal to him because he had an audience who were invested in him as a creator enough to subscribe. Now this is just one of the strategies I'm going to cover on my channel, but this strategy along with all the other ones all need this next tip, that's CTR and audience retention. These are the 2 most important stats when it comes to manipulating the algorithm to push your videos. If you don't already know what CTR is, it's the click-through rate of your video. So when people see your video, the percentage of the people that decide to click on it is your CTR. Your audience retention is how long the audience sticks around to watch your video. These are 2 statistics that anybody can find by navigating to your channel analytics and selecting any video. Your goal is to have a high CTR and audience retention, and if you can master both, you will without a doubt blow up. Just like I said before, CTR is a whole 50% of what you need to blow up, and to get it, you'll need to start giving your thumbnails some of the respect they deserve. It's literally the first step for you to get discovered. So instead of thinking about how much effort you put into the thumbnail, start thinking from the eyes of the viewer. You want the viewer to find interest in your video and click it. So what you'll need to do is generate curiosity in the viewer, and that will make them feel the need to satisfy it. The way I like to see it is that the thumbnail brings out a question and the video answers it. Here are some examples. When a viewer sees this video, the question that arises for the most I can assume is, what is he gonna buy? And to resolve this tension, the viewer clicks the video. Now this is a random video that popped up in my recommended that someone only spent 14 seconds recording, but because their title and thumbnail raised a question, it got more than 500,000 views in 3 months. And last but not least, we have Vsauce, literally asking the question and everybody who clicked on it came for an answer and received it at its most simplest form. Now once you have the viewer clicked in on your video, you have to keep them there to improve your audience retention. There are plenty of techniques to keep the audience tuned in until the end, but the general idea is that around the first 15 seconds you have to hook the viewer to keep them there for the long run by using the most engaging part of the video and putting a small bit of it at the beginning. This can hold on to the viewers that typically leave early, and this can keep your viewers engaged to watch for the first few minutes of the video. The rest of the video is up to you finding a way to keep the tension and anticipation high for the viewer to want to continue to watch. This is done through the method I call the cookie trail. The cookie method is a common method where you tease the audience or give them a spike in conflict that keeps them interested. You riddle these cookies throughout the video, leading them on to the big cookie at the end. This method leads them on until the end of the video, but it also keeps them entertained and leaves them with a good impression of your videos at the end with the resolution. If you can master getting audience retention, you'll gain a loyal fan base that will come back to watch and share all your new videos. That's why quality became more profitable than quantity here on YouTube. Uploading every day is not what the algorithm wants anymore. Your job as the editor is to keep the video energetic and snappy. This means no boring static footage. You need to keep your videos smooth so people can watch your videos effortlessly with constant flow and motion, because on YouTube, you have to pretend your audience has the attention span of a puppy with all the existing videos that are competing for the viewer's time. Viewers know and feel that boredom anytime there's 10 seconds of boring time. I'll do a more detailed explanation on audience retention on another video if this video gets 5 likes, but until then, hit subscribe and hit the bell if you want more key information on growing your channel, and leave a comment too.